Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best wood slab ornaments is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing decorative items you can add to your home, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and rustic charm that can elevate any space, from a cozy living room to a festive holiday display, making them a perfect choice for those seeking to infuse their surroundings with warmth and character. Number 5. 5 ARTH Natural Wood Slices, 30 PCS. Bring the beauty of the forest into your home with these natural pine wood slices. Each piece showcases the unique charm of natural wood, with bark intact for an authentic feel. These slices are perfectly smooth and pre-drilled with a hole, making them incredibly easy to work with. They come with jute and intersecting rope, so you're all set to hang your creations. We use advanced techniques and carefully control the moisture ratio to ensure these wood pieces resist drying and cracking. This means they'll last longer and maintain their quality. Let your imagination run wild. These versatile pieces are perfect for painting, engraving, and creating unique decorations for holidays, weddings, or personalized gifts. To keep them looking their best, avoid dry environments. After use, a simple seal with tung oil can help maintain their condition and prevent cracking. What we like? If you love the raw, natural beauty of wood with bark still attached, this set is for you. It comes with pre-drilled holes and includes jute rope, making it incredibly easy to start your DIY project right away. Choose this if you're looking for a rustic aesthetic and a hassle-free crafting experience. What people say. The wood slab ornaments are beautifully crafted with intricate designs that add a rustic charm to any Christmas tree. Each ornament is unique, showcasing the natural grain and texture of the wood, making them a standout decoration. They are lightweight and durable, ensuring they won't weigh down branches and will last for many holiday seasons. Number 4. TICIOSH Natural Wood Slices Kit. Introducing our natural wood slices, perfect for all your crafting needs. Made from high-quality pine wood with bark, these slices offer a beautiful, rustic touch. Each slice features a smooth surface, ideal for painting, writing, or pyrography. They are the best choice for decorating your home and celebrating festivals. Unlike ordinary wood slices, ours are crafted using advanced techniques. We ensure a scientific moisture ratio to prevent drying or cracking, guaranteeing superior quality. These log slices come pre-drilled with a small hole for easy hanging. We also include jute twine and cotton rope to get you started right away. Unleash your creativity with these versatile wood slices. They are perfect for DIY crafts, coasters, photo props, and decorations for holidays, weddings, and parties. From hand painting to pyrography, these slices are your ideal material. Use them for Christmas ornaments, wedding decorations, or unique wall art. What we like? For those who need a larger quantity of wood slices for a big event or multiple projects, this pack of 50 is ideal. The smooth surface is perfect for detailed painting or pyrography, and the pre-drilled hole simplifies hanging. Consider this if you're planning a wedding, a large festival decoration, or simply enjoy having plenty of crafting material on hand. What people say. The wood slab ornaments are beautifully crafted with intricate details. Each ornament features a unique, natural wood grain pattern. They are lightweight and easy to hang on any tree branch. Number 3. ILAUKE 16 PCS Natural Wood Rounds. Discover the beauty of nature with these natural wood rounds. Each piece is carefully selected, sanded, and polished for a smooth, safe finish, ensuring they stay in perfect condition. You'll receive 16 unfinished wood pieces, each about 3.5 to 4 inches in diameter. Their smooth, blank surfaces are perfect for painting, drawing, or writing your unique designs. These wooden discs are ideal for a wide range of crafts. Use them for DIY paintings, table centerpieces, photo props, or even as rustic wedding decorations. Enhance your parties and events with a classic country touch. They are perfect for creating charming centerpieces, unique coasters, or personalized ornaments. These wood slices are naturally processed to maintain their integrity. To preserve them, avoid extreme temperatures and humidity. Consider sealing them with tung oil after use for lasting beauty. What we like? If your primary goal is elegant table decor, especially for rustic weddings or events, this option stands out. Each piece is hand-selected, sanded, and polished to maintain its best condition, ensuring a refined look. You should choose this if you prioritize a polished finish and are creating centerpieces or sophisticated rustic decorations. What people say. The wood slab ornaments are made from natural wood, showcasing unique grain patterns and textures. Each ornament is carefully hand-painted with intricate designs, adding a touch of artistry. They come with a sturdy twine hanger, making them easy to display on any tree or surface. Number 2. 10 PCS 6 to 8 inch unfinished wood slices. Introducing a set of 10 natural wood slices, each measuring 6 to 8 inches. These hand-selected pieces are polished smooth and ready for your creative endeavors. Crafted from high-quality natural wood, these rounds boast beautiful grain and a smooth texture. Each piece is inspected to ensure durability and usability. Elevate your events with these versatile wood rounds. They are perfect for rustic centerpieces, holiday decor, or as unique table decorations for any setting. Unleash your creativity with these unfinished wood circles. They are perfect for painting, carving, or personalizing to create unique signs, decorations, and more. These wooden discs are ideal for a wide range of crafts, painting, and holiday decor. Let your imagination run wild with these natural wood slices. We are dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us for assistance. What we like. When you need substantial wood slices for statement pieces like table centerpieces or larger art projects, this set is the perfect fit. The generous 6 to 8 inch size, combined with unique natural grain and a smooth finish, offers a grand canvas. Opt for these if you're aiming for a rustic, impactful display, or need larger rounds for drawing or cake stands. What people say. The wood slab ornaments are beautifully crafted with intricate details. Each ornament features a unique natural wood grain pattern, making them one of a kind. They are lightweight and easy to hang, perfect for decorating Christmas trees or other seasonal displays. Number 1. Mathtoxyz Wood Slices Ornaments. Discover the rustic charm of natural wood slices, perfect for all your DIY craft projects. These unfinished rounds are ready for your personal touch. Get ready for the holidays. Decorate these wood slices with festive designs for Christmas, weddings, or any special occasion. They're ideal for creating unique ornaments. From painting and engraving to making keychains or coasters, the possibilities are limitless. Let your imagination run wild with these versatile wood circles. Each piece is naturally unique, made from pine wood with bark. Their rustic appearance adds a special touch to any creation. Create a truly special and meaningful gift for loved ones. Personalize these wood slices for birthdays or any occasion to show you care. Each disc comes pre-drilled with a hole, making it easy to hang your creations. They're perfect for both kids' crafts and adult projects. What we like. If you're specifically looking to create charming Christmas or holiday ornaments, this set is a fantastic choice. The rustic, natural look combined with the pre-drilled hole makes crafting personalized decorations quick and easy. This is the one to get if you want to add a handmade, festive touch to your tree or give meaningful, personalized gifts. What people say. The wood slab ornaments are a great addition to any holiday decor. These ornaments are well made and have a natural, rustic charm. The intricate details carved into the wood make each ornament unique and beautiful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.